Mhm.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is still Guzala Davis, and I'm bringing you today Shane Swick. Did I say your name
Yes,
right?
that's right.
Because
Mhm.
I'm sometimes I improvise. You have to correct me. Um, for those
Mhm.
who's decided to try a more grown-up approach to marketing, I mean, besides vision boards and manifesting and magic, if you're ready for a little bit of adulting and marketing your business the way you're supposed to, this is the person I
Thank
think
you.
is qualified to help us. So
Mhm.
who don't know you? Why should we listen to you?
Right. So thank you for the intro. Yeah, I have my background is in marketing. I help mostly healers and clients to basically get their marketing right. So that could be through social media, paid advertisement, and setting up their websites to basically just get them more leads and get more sessions booked. Mhm.
And that begs the question, why healers? The worst market for marketing.
I just found that they're really nice to work with. Like, they just have really good hearts and they're open to trying new things and taking different angles when it comes to marketing themselves. And it really just comes down to the energy and they're just good people. I work with a few other clients as well, that do more business stuff, but yeah, healers are always super fun.
It
hmm
just to me even hard to imagine because healers it's mostly chaotic and creative energy, and now you are forcing them to be strategic and logical. How's that working out? What kind of results are you getting?
Pretty good actually. I think it creates a really nice balance of having the more chaotic brain as you're thinking because a lot of creativity stems from there, and the world of marketing is it's really a lot of creativity combined with that strategic way of thinking. So in terms of results I've gotten from that, I had one client who was a healer a couple months back. We launched her a brand new coaching offer for her business, and in just 4 days, we brought in $4,000 in revenue. And it was just a really simple system that we used to do that. And then just last month as well, this was a business client, but we used the same kind of system and put that into her business, and she went from zero to 26,000 in about 3 weeks.
The one word really stood out to me
Mhm.
from what you said. I really like that. You said simple. How
Mhm.
simple it is.
Yeah. hmm
Is that really simple, or you have to be geeky to be able to create this process,
No, no, it's
whatever that is?
yeah, it's really simple to use. Basically we just there's a way to get traffic, and then we take that traffic and then put the offer in front of them, and it's just a simple four-step process. And by putting that into any business from what I've seen so far, it can get a lot of really good results.
Right. If it's outside of healing field, healing industry, it will still work.
Yeah, actually, so I've used this with pretty much all of my healer clients, and it's worked really well for them. And then I also took this into a business offer. We implemented it and it worked super well there too.
Awesome.
Mhm.
Because I'm already making like a list in my head. Here, can maybe use it here and here.
hmm
That's
Absolutely. Yeah.
nice. That's nice. So the workshop that is coming up, what are you planning for us? How
hmm
will you be surprising us?
Yeah. So I'm actually going to be walking everyone through that exact system I was just talking about, where you're able to implement this into a healing business or even a different kind of offer. And it's just a way of getting attention from the right kind of clients and then nurturing them until they're ready to book a session or buy your offer. And I'm going to be basically revealing everything, exactly what I did for my clients to get the results, and you'll be able to take everything and do it yourself.
Sounds very nice.
Mhm.
Sounds very nice.
You.
From my own experience, the most difficult part is to set your presence online in such a way that you would be discovered. And it's getting more and more difficult. It used to
Mm-hmm.
be, we just create a website, naturally will people find you, set up business on Google business
Hmm.
profile. You see, I don't even remember what it's called because it's not that
Yeah.
effective anymore.
Mm-mm.
It used to be was enough to draw at least all the local
Hmm.
potential clients. Now it's not enough. It's
That's
becoming
right.
increasingly difficult. But I know my experience, once they find me, from then I'm okay. I just need to
Hmm.
show what I have, what I know, and closing is never a problem. That's that to be discovered, be found online.
Hmm.
And I assume most of people in my field experience the same difficulties. So
Yeah,
if
definitely.
we
I think.
can if we
Hmm.
can find the right pool and set up a trap there,
Hmm.
that would be
Yes, I like the way you
that
think.
would be
Hmm.
very helpful for us. So
Yeah.
where can we find you?
Yeah, so
If
I'll be hosting the workshop and on January 28th. It's going to be at 12 p.m. Eastern time. And you'll be able to sign up if you just go to shaneswick.com/workshop.
shaneswick.com/workshop. That's easy. Even
Yep.
I can remember. That's nice. Um, what do we need to prepare?
I would come with an open mind and a notepad and just get ready to write
Notepad.
a few things down, and you'll be able to implement everything. I'm going to be giving out some free resources, templates, guides to go with it to make everything super easy.
That sounds very nice. Well,
Mhm.
okay, I have another question
Yeah.
because, and I understand when you are, this is what you do every day. You're a
Hmm.
professional, you're a specialist in it. You can communicate, present it in a way it will be easy to understand even to us who are not geeky usually. But if still somebody refuses to understand how to make it work,
Hmm.
outside of this workshop, can we reach out for your help?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can reach me at I believe Shane at shaneswick.com. I was having a problem with the domain, but I should be working now, or shaneswick at .sms at gmail, if you need help. And yeah, whoever does attend the workshop, I'll also be offering a few days of personal consultations and one-on-one outreach. If you want to send me some text, if you have specific questions, I'll be doing that for a few days for everyone who attends the workshop.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to this
Mhm.
workshop.
Of course, thank you so much for having me, and thank you for doing this interview.